Ooh, that was loud. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan and we're gonna take a look at what's in my personal item. If you've seen what's in my work bag video, I realize this is probably the exact same thing, but nonetheless, it's special because it's the travel edition.
Nonetheless, it's special.
First off, the #1 tip for packing in carry-ons and a personal item is you want to keep toiletries in a separate compartment so you don't have to open up your suitcase. I have a little toiletry bag that I grabbed from Muji, I believe. I really like it because it's got a little hook on it so that when you go into the shower, you don't have to put it on like the floor and stuff, and you can literally just hang it up.
Beauty guru.
So having this hook inside your toiletry bag is super key. Yeah, inside the toiletry bag is just basic stuff. It's for people having the toiletry bag. I got soap, shampoo, toothpaste. I like keeping it in the front because it makes it super easy to just like pull out when you have to go through security. And also right in the front is you got face wipes because airplane air is dirty. I have that U-Green cable organizer for everything. I have my laptop charger, external hard drives, and phone charger in here. Extra batteries, Kobo Aura H2O. Sunglasses, a pack of cards, and allergy pills. Lastly, in the main compartment is just basic stuff. My laptop, my Limitless planner, clipboard, and the Zhiyun Crane M, courtesy of Daniel Schiffer. Thank you. And the camera case. What the camera case is really useful for carrying is those extra batteries, a battery charger.
What, that was a milk guard? And
the Peak Design leash strap that I was talking about. Inside here is passport, coin pouch.
Is that a vape?
So this is a USB SD card reader, and the reason why it's super useful is that it has both a regular USB connection, a micro USB connection, as well as a USB-C connection. So in the off chance that my computer stops reading SD cards, which it has, we can always use it for mine, we can use this for my phone, and we can also use it for Rachel's laptop. And then everything else that I carry is the same thing as my everyday carry: my phone, my wallet, and keys.
And me.
That's everything. Comment down below some of your favorite travel items. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Make a noise. Go like. Cinematic.